Which Azure service allows you to manage user and group properties centrally? A. Azure Active Directory. B. Azure Policy. C. Azure Monitor. D. Azure Resource Manager. La respuesta correcta es A. Azure Active Directory. Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, is a cloud-based identity and access management service that allows you to manage user and group properties centrally. What is the primary purpose of Azure AD groups? A. To monitor resource usage. B. To manage user access to resources. C. To enforce compliance policies. D. To automate deployment processes. La respuesta correcta es B. To manage user access to resources. Azure AD groups are primarily used to manage user access to resources by grouping users and assigning permissions to the group rather than individual users. Which of the following is not a type of group available in Azure AD? A. Security group. B. Office 365 group. C. Distribution group. D. Resource group. La respuesta correcta es de resource group. Resource groups are used to manage Azure resources, not user identities. Security groups, Office 365 groups, and distribution groups are types of groups available in Azure AD. How can you assign a user to a group in Azure AD? A. Using Azure Policy. B. Using the Azure Portal. C. Using Azure Monitor. D. Using Azure Resource Manager templates. La respuesta correcta es B. Using the Azure Portal. You can assign a user to a group in Azure AD using the Azure Portal by navigating to the group and adding the user. What is the benefit of using dynamic groups in Azure AD? A. They automatically adjust membership based on user attributes. B. They provide enhanced security for resources. C. They reduce the cost of Azure subscriptions. D. They improve the performance of Azure services. La respuesta correcta es A. They automatically adjust membership based on user attributes. Dynamic groups in Azure AD automatically adjust their membership based on user attributes, which simplifies group management and ensures that group memberships are always up to date. Which role is required to manage user and group properties in Azure AD? A. Global Administrator. B. Billing Administrator. C. Security Reader. D. Compliance Administrator. La respuesta correcta es A. Global Administrator. The Global Administrator role in Azure AD has the highest level of permissions and is required to manage user and group properties.